Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Pinterest account preferences, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Pinterest account preferences, start by logging into your Pinterest account. Navigate to the drop-down menu at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or the icon that represents your account. From the options that appear, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Account Settings section. Here, you will find various options related to your account preferences. Scroll down to find Personalization options. To reset your preferences, click on Edit next to the Personalization settings. You will see options for interests and your data. Uncheck any topics or interests you wish to remove. Then, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Data. Here, you can manage how your data is used by Pinterest. If you want to reset your ads preferences, find the Ads section. Click on Edit and adjust your settings as desired. After making changes, remember to save your preferences. To review your account settings, go back to the main settings page. Check for any additional options you might want to modify. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, log out of your account. Log back in to ensure that your new preferences are reflected. This completes the process of resetting your Pinterest account preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.